1 through 5. Start with both commas in the right hand. Bow. Look to your right shoulder. Left foot steps. Grab your left comma. Right foot steps around. Strike out to either side at shoulder level. Looking to your right. Commas come back. Shift back. Left foot steps out. Reverse front stance strike. You're going to shift your front stance to the left corner. Circle around. Come back. High block strike. Shift your front stance again. Another circle. As you come up, right foot steps up, comma on the left shoulder, and strike looking to your left side. Look over your right shoulder, left foot steps back to a front stance, low X block with the right hand on top. Look over your left shoulder, right foot steps up, left foot steps around, right comma to the left shoulder, slide down as you strike with your left comma. That is section 1. Section 2, left foot steps back, high block with the left comma, shift your front stance forward, 7 cut with the right hand, 7 cut with the left hand, strike with the right hand, switch your feet, strike with the left palm. Chamber by your head, cut, turn around, left foot steps back, chop again, shift your front stance forward, another right 7 cut, left 7 cut, strike with the right hand. That is section 2. Section 3, chamber with the right hand on top, look over to your right side, chop, shift your front stance in that direction, strike with the left hand, shift your front stance to the left corner, strike with the right hand. From here, the left foot steps over, spinning hook kick, landing behind you. Now your right foot steps up, tornado kick, spinning around, back stance chop, then your left foot steps out, front stance, right punch. That is section 3. Section 4, chamber, right hand on top again. Chop to in front of you with your front stance still facing the corner. Right foot steps up as you strike with the left hand. Chamber by your head again. Cut, turn around, left foot steps back. Chop, shift your front stance forward, punch with the right hand again. From here, your right foot is going to do a side kick, landing in a horse stance, low block with the right hand. Chamber with the right hand on top again, look to the right corner, right foot slides out to a back stance chop, slide it out forward again, punch. Chamber by your head, do another cut, turn around, back stance, chop to the left corner again. Then your left foot steps out to a front stance, 7 cut, punch with the right hand. From here, you will shift back to a reverse front stance, high block and strike, just like section 1. Your right hand is going to cut across to your left side. Then you're going to chamber with the right hand on top, chop forward, right foot steps up, strike with the left hand again. Chamber by your left head, do a half cut. As you come around, you're going to be facing the opposite direction now. Right comma to the left shoulder again, slide down and strike with the left hand. From here, you're going to do your butterfly kick. Right foot steps up, left foot steps around, hands up by your right head, right side of your head. Come down, one foot after the other. Right foot takes an extra step, back stance, chop to the left corner. That is section 4. Section 5, the left foot steps out to a front stance, double forward wrist roll, the commas going back to your forearms. From here, you will bring the commas back as your right foot slides up and do a left front kick. Right foot steps up to meet your left foot, squat down, hop up, right front kick, chamber by your head, cut again, step back, chop to in front of you while your front stance faces the side. You're going to shift forward and punch. From here, you'll chamber again with the right hand on top, chop to the right corner, right foot steps towards the right corner, front stance, punch with your left hand. From here, your right hand is going to do a forward roll, grab the comma between your pointer and middle finger, turn the comma towards your left side, and grab it upside down. You're going to do this while the left comma is still out striking. So it'll look like this while you're doing it. You're going to cut across in a reverse front stance, meaning my back heel is off the ground, to the left corner while you cut across in front of you. Then, to finish, your right foot does a Hawkeye kick, which is a hook kick, followed by a roundhouse kick without rechambering. Drop your foot next to your left foot, pass the right palm to your left hand while it's still upside down. Left foot steps around, a twin low walk and a ready stance. And that is sections 1. Up. 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 Up.